YT, what up, what up, what up, what up? So, I just wanted to do a quick video explaining how I just installed these paddle shifters onto my carbon fiber steering wheel. We got the plus right here and the minus. All right, I actually removed the ones that came on the carbon fiber wheel because they were non-magnetic, so you're not really getting that paddle shifter feel, that paddle shifter sound. So I went ahead and removed those, and as you can see, these went on pretty easy. So I literally just took those out. Okay, plug and play. I just disconnected the blue ends and reconnected them. There's one right there, and the screw to release it is right there. All right, that's like a ground wire screw for your minus sign when you gear down. And then on this side there's the other one. That one is a non-grounded. Seems like the other wire is grounded right there, but there's that screw that needs to be released. All right, and then that's the connection. Where's the there's the connect. I tucked it away, but the connection is down there for that blue wire that's right there. Super easy install. Just literally take the old ones out and put the new ones in. Hopefully these work out pretty good, and I don't have any issues with them working. So look out for a future video for the install of this steering wheel. Thanks a bunch, and follow and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.